Just put a tablespoon of laundry detergent on a piece of bread and watch what shows up in your home in the next few hours. There is a hidden enemy in your house, and no store-bought insecticide can eliminate it. The worst part is, you've been feeding it every day without realizing it. Since I learned this trick, I never again spent money on chemical products. The recipe is very simple. Take a tablespoon of powdered detergent, any one you use to wash clothes. Then, add a tablespoon of toothpaste. Yes, the same one you use in the bathroom. Now comes the ingredient they cannot resist: 1½ tablespoons of refined sugar. Mix well until it forms a uniform paste. And here comes the detail that almost no one tells you. Take a piece of old bread. The more fermented or moldy, the better, and dip it into the mixture. The smell of the bread attracts them like honey to bees. But what happens afterward is the real trick. Women hate it when this suddenly appears. If you have ever been afraid to open a cupboard at night or notice strange trails in the corners of your house, this recipe can change your routine. To set it up, cut the base of PET bottles, keep the caps, and place the mixture in these small containers. Then distribute them in strategic points of the house, behind the fridge, near drains, inside furniture, or in that dark corner you always avoid looking at. And what happens in the next 48 hours? They eat everything, but the detergent and toothpaste work inside, silently and lethally. Why does this formula work better than an insecticide? Because it costs almost nothing. It's made with things you already have at home, without strong odors, without poisons, without risks, and yes, it even works in cases of infestation, tested during hot days when they appear the most. Attention! This trick isn't just for cockroaches, rats also run away from it. And there's more. The last step is crucial. After placing the little containers, do not clean the corners for 3 days. That is the time needed for the effect to be complete. The results will surprise you. Do this today and tomorrow tell me, did they disappear? Did they show up the first night? Did you discover where they were coming from? Extra tip: double the recipe and prepare backup containers. Keep them for emergencies. You will thank yourself when the problem returns. And remember, don't fall for ads of expensive products that only mask the smell. The secret is to attract with what they love and attack where they hide. On the first night, they come out of hiding. On the second, they start to disappear. On the third, it looks like they were never there. Final warning: don't tell your neighbors. Let them think it was a miracle.